Daily English Cafe.
Your cozy space for real-life English.
Hey, Ryan, can I tell you something embarrassing?
Always. That's my favorite kind of story. What happened?
I walked into a cafe and said, I want coffee.
Oh, no.
The barista smiled and went, Sure. What kind?
Yep, that's the moment every English learner meets the final boss. What kind?
I froze. My brain was like, coffee is coffee.
In America, coffee's never just coffee.
Exactly. So today, we're fixing that.
Welcome back to Daily English Cafe. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Sarah. And in this episode, stop saying, I want coffee, and start ordering like an American at a cafe.
We'll give you the natural phrases, the vocab, the questions baristas ask, and we'll do role play so you can practice with us.
And by the end, you'll be able to order confidently, even if the line is long and the barista is moving fast.
Let's do it.
First, why does I want coffee feel a little off?
Okay, so it's not wrong grammatically, but it can sound too direct or incomplete.
Like, it sounds a bit demanding?
Yeah, I want can sound strong, like you're making a demand. Americans usually soften it.
Also, it doesn't give enough information.
Exactly. It's like walking into a store and saying, I want a shirt.
The employee would be like, okay, what size, what color, what style?
Same thing with coffee. Hot or iced, small or large, black or with milk, drip coffee, latte, Americano, cold brew.
So, what do Americans actually say?
The most common supernatural phrase is, can I get?
Can I get a medium iced latte, please?
Perfect.
Or,
I'll do a.
I'll do a small hot coffee.
That one sounds very casual and native.
And another option?
Could I have? That one is a little more polite, a little more formal.
Could I have a cappuccino, please?
Nice.
Okay, let's build the American cafe order, step by step.
Think of it like a little sentence puzzle. You choose the pieces you need.
Piece number 1, size.
In many American cafes, you'll hear small, medium, large.
Some places use tall, grande, venti.
Yeah, but don't stress. If you say small, medium, large, you'll be understood almost everywhere.
Piece number 2, temperature.
Hot or iced?
Or you might hear cold.
Yep. Iced is the most common word for a cold drink with ice.
Piece number 3, the drink name.
Drip coffee, also called brewed coffee.
Drip coffee is like the basic coffee pot, right?
Exactly. Simple, classic. If you want the easiest order in America, it's, can I get a medium drip coffee?
Or a medium black coffee.
Yep, black means no milk, no cream.
Then there's an Americano.
Espresso plus hot water. It tastes kind of like strong coffee.
Latte.
Espresso plus milk, creamy.
Cappuccino.
Espresso plus steamed milk and more foam.
And cold brew.
Coffee brewed cold for a long time. Smooth, less acidic, usually strong.
Okay, piece number 4, milk or cream.
This is huge in the US. People customize milk a lot.
Like,
Whole milk, 2% milk, skim milk.
and non-dairy?
Oat milk, almond milk, soy milk, coconut milk.
Piece number 5, sweetness and flavor.
Sugar, simple syrup, vanilla, caramel, hazelnut.
And you can also say no sugar or not too sweet.
Exactly.
Piece number 6, for here or to go.
For here means you're staying. To go means take it with you.
Or takeout.
Yep.
So a full order could sound like,
Can I get a medium iced latte with oat milk, not too sweet, to go?
that sounds so American.
It really does.
Now, let's talk about the questions baristas usually ask.
Because even if your first sentence is perfect, they'll ask follow-up questions.
Question 1, what size?
You can answer small, please, medium, large.
Question 2, hot or iced?
Iced, please, hot, please.
Question 3. For here or to go?
To go, please. For here.
Question 4. Anything else?
That means, do you want anything more? A pastry, another drink?
And the easiest answer is?
That's it. Or, no thanks, that's all.
Another one. Can I get your name?
Yep, in many cafes, they write your name on the cup.
If your name is hard to pronounce in English,
You can spell it, or you can give a short nickname.
like, it's James, James.
Perfect.
Now let's do a quick phrase upgrade. We take a basic sentence and make it sound more natural.
Love it.
Basic. I want coffee.
Upgrade 1. Can I get a coffee, please?
Better, but still a little vague.
Upgrade 2. Can I get a medium hot coffee, please?
Nice.
Upgrade 3. Can I get a medium hot drip coffee with a splash of milk?
A splash of milk is such a native phrase.
Yeah, it means a small amount, not a lot.
And if you want a lot of milk?
You can say with cream or with extra milk.
What does cream mean in America?
Usually it means coffee creamer or half and half. It's richer than milk.
Okay, vocabulary moment. Let's define a few key words you'll hear.
Word 1. Drip coffee.
The basic brewed coffee from a machine.
Word 2. Creamer.
A creamy liquid you add to coffee, sometimes flavored.
Word 3. Half and half.
Half milk, half cream.
Word 4. Foam.
The bubbly top on cappuccinos and some lattes.
Word 5. Decaf.
Decaf means decaffeinated, less caffeine.
And you might hear half calf.
Half caffeine, half decaf.
Exactly.
Now, let's practice together. We'll do it slowly and you repeat after us.
You can repeat out loud or whisper or just say it in your head, but speaking is best.
Ready?
Repeat after Sarah.
Can I get a medium hot coffee, please?
Can I get a medium hot coffee, please?
Now with a more casual tone.
I'll do a medium hot coffee, please.
Great. Now iced.
Can I get a large iced coffee, please?
Nice. Now add milk.
Can I get a large iced coffee with oat milk?
Beautiful. Now add to go. Can I get a large iced coffee with oat milk to go?
That's super natural.
Okay, Ryan. Let's do our first role play.
I'll be the barista.
And I'll be the customer who used to say, I want coffee.
Let's see the glow up.
Hi.
Hey, what can I get started for you?
Can I get a medium hot coffee, please?
Sure. Would you like room for cream?
Ooh, room for cream. What does that mean?
Great question. It means, do you want space in the cup so you can add cream yourself?
Ah, okay. In the moment, I would answer,
You can say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
let's try yes, please.
Perfect. And is this for here or to go?
To go, please.
Great. And can I get a name for the order?
Sarah.
Awesome. Anything else for you today?
That's it. Thank you.
Perfect. That's a real American cafe interaction.
And it wasn't scary.
Exactly.
Now let's do role play number 2, but harder.
Uh-oh.
This time, iced latte, non-dairy milk, light sweet.
Okay, I'm the barista again.
Hi, can I get a medium iced latte with oat milk, and could you make it lightly sweetened?
Nice. Lightly sweetened is a great phrase.
Thank you, I practiced.
Love it. Barista voice. Sure, any flavors in that latte, like vanilla or caramel?
I'll say vanilla, please.
Great. 1 pump or 2 pumps?
Okay, explain pumps.
In cafes, syrup comes from a bottle with a pump. 1 pump is a small amount.
So if I want it not too sweet,
You can say, just 1 pump, please, or 1 pump is perfect.
let's continue. Just 1 pump, please.
Great. For here or to go?
To go, please.
And what's the name?
Sarah.
Perfect. That'll be ready at the end.
Love it.
Now, real talk. Sometimes baristas speak fast.
Yes, and if you don't catch it, you feel shy.
So let's give you some rescue phrases.
Rescue phrase 1. Sorry, could you say that again?
Very polite, very normal.
Rescue phrase 2. Can you repeat that, please?
Great.
Rescue phrase 3. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
That one sounds supernatural.
rescue phrase 4. What does that mean?
Also totally fine.
And if you want them to slow down?
Could you say that a little slower?
Okay, now another thing. Americans often add soft, friendly words.
Like, hey, hi there, sure, yeah, awesome.
And when you order, please helps.
Yep, you don't need please in every sentence, but it's nice.
Now, let's talk about small talk at cafes.
Because sometimes the barista says something that isn't a question about coffee.
Like, how's your day going?
Exactly.
And you don't need a long answer.
Keep it simple. Good, thanks. How about you?
Or not bad, or doing well.
Or pretty good.
Another one, what are you up to today?
You can say, just working, heading to school, running errands.
Running errands is a great phrase.
It means doing small tasks like shopping, bank, post office.
Okay, now let's cover payments.
In the US, baristas might ask card or cash.
Card or cash?
Or they might say, are you paying with card today?
You can answer, card, please, or I'll pay with card.
Some places also ask, would you like a receipt?
You can say, no thanks, or yes, please.
Now, tipping.
This is a big topic.
In many cafes, you'll see a tip screen. It might ask you to choose a tip amount.
It can feel awkward if you're not used to it.
Just know it's common. You can tip a little, or sometimes people skip it. It depends.
And if you want to tip, you can just choose an option.
Exactly.
Now, let's talk about the most American cafe phrases. Like, if you use these, you'll sound supernatural.
Phrase 1. Can I do?
Can I do a small cold brew?
Very natural.
Phrase 2. I'll take.
I'll take a medium latte.
Phrase 3. Could I get that with?
Could I get that with oat milk?
Phrase 4. Make that.
Make that a large.
That one is so useful.
Yeah, if you change your mind about size.
Phrase 5. Actually.
Actually, can I get that iced?
Actually is a soft way to correct yourself.
Exactly.
Now, common cafe mistakes learners make.
Let's help you avoid them.
Mistake 1, saying, I want, all the time.
You can, but mix in can I get and I'll do.
Mistake 2, forgetting the size.
You'll be asked anyway, but it's smoother if you include it.
Mistake 3, saying, give me.
That can sound rude in English, especially with strangers.
Better, can I get, or could I have?
Yep,
Mistake 4, getting confused by regular coffee.
good one. Regular coffee can mean different things depending on the place.
Sometimes it means drip coffee.
Sometimes it means coffee with cream and sugar, so if you want to be clear, say exactly what you want.
Like a medium drip coffee, black.
Or a medium drip coffee with cream and 1 sugar.
Speaking of that, how do you order sugar?
You can say with 1 sugar or with 2 sugars.
Or 1 packet of sugar?
Yep, if you want no sugar, no sugar.
Okay, now we'll do a fun practice game.
Ooh, I love games.
I'll describe a drink. You say the full order out loud.
Let's go.
Drink 1, hot coffee, medium, black, to go.
Can I get a medium hot coffee, black to go, please?
Perfect. Drink 2, iced latte, small, oat milk, 1 pump vanilla, to go.
Can I get a small iced latte with oat milk, 1 pump of vanilla to go?
That sounded real. Drink 3, cold brew, large, a little cream, not too sweet.
Can I do a large cold brew with a splash of cream and not too sweet?
Nice. You could also add please at the end.
Absolutely.
Now, role play number 3, the busy morning line.
Okay, faster pace, but still clear.
I'm ready.
Barista voice. Next, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a medium iced coffee with a splash of milk to go?
Sure. Any sweetener?
No thanks.
Great. Name?
Sarah.
Perfect. That'll be ready soon.
That's it. Short and efficient.
That's how many Americans order when it's busy.
Role play number 4, the fancy cafe.
Oh, the kind where the menu makes you feel like you need a dictionary.
Exactly.
Okay, go.
Hi, quick question. What's your most popular drink?
Great phrase. What's your most popular drink? Very natural.
Thank you.
Barista. Our most popular is the vanilla latte or our cold brew.
Okay, could I get a medium iced vanilla latte with oat milk?
Sure. Would you like it lightly sweetened or regular?
Lightly sweetened, please.
Perfect. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Awesome. And what name?
Sarah.
Great. We'll call your name when it's ready.
Love that.
Also, notice how Sarah used quick question.
That phrase is magic.
It sounds friendly and polite, and it gives you time to think.
Another magic phrase is, what do you recommend?
Yes, what do you recommend is a great way to order confidently without knowing the menu.
Now, let's add a segment for pronunciation and natural rhythm.
Because sounding natural isn't just the words, it's how you say them.
In American English, we connect words.
For example, can I get a becomes can I get a?
Can I get a medium iced coffee?
Exactly. You don't need to force it, but it helps you understand the Americans.
Another one is, I'll do a sounds like I'll do a. Very quick.
I'll do a large cold brew.
And to go is often said quickly, to go.
For beginners, it's totally fine to say it clearly. To go.
Yes, clarity first.
Then, as you get comfortable, you'll naturally speed up.
Now, let's talk about the problem moment.
Uh-oh.
You get your drink, and it's not what you wanted.
It happens.
How do you fix it politely?
Start with a soft opener. Hi, sorry.
Hi, sorry, I think this was supposed to be iced.
Perfect. Or, I think there might be a mistake.
I think there might be a mistake. I ordered oat milk.
That's very polite.
And you don't need to blame anyone.
Right. Just state the issue calmly.
Okay, quick review time.
Let's summarize the key order formula.
Start with a friendly opener. Hi.
Then, can I get or I'll do.
Then size.
Then hot or iced.
Then drink name.
Then customizations, milk, sweetener, flavors.
Then for here or to go.
And end with please if you want.
And be ready for these questions. Size, hot or iced, name, anything else.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's give listeners 5 ready-to-use copy and paste orders.
Love it. These are like templates.
Template 1, basic coffee.
Can I get a medium hot drip coffee black to go, please?
Template 2, iced coffee with milk.
I'll do a large iced coffee with a splash of milk to go.
Template 3, latte with non-dairy milk.
Could I have a medium iced latte with oat milk, please?
Template 4, cold brew, light sweet.
Can I do a large cold brew, lightly sweetened with a little cream?
Template 5, decaf latte.
Can I get a small decaf latte hot with almond milk?
Beautiful.
And if you only remember one phrase,
Remember, can I get?
it will save you.
Okay, final challenge. Ryan, I'll say I want coffee, and you transform it into a perfect American order.
Deal.
I want coffee.
Can I get a medium hot drip coffee, please?
Nice. Another one. I want coffee.
I'll do a large iced coffee with a splash of milk to go.
Perfect. One more. I want coffee.
Could I have a medium latte with oat milk, please?
Okay, that is officially an upgrade.
Huge upgrade.
Now, if you're listening, I want you to practice today.
Next time you go to a cafe, don't say, I want coffee.
Use one of our templates.
Or create your own using the formula.
And if you want, leave a comment under this episode with your order.
Yes, write your exact cafe order in the comments, and we'll tell you if it sounds natural.
And don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Cafe for more real-life English conversations with Sarah and Ryan.
New episodes, new topics, and lots of practical phrases you can use immediately.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.